Gabe, would you open the door up here?
Yeah.
So I can get a shot inside. Yeah, open up the other door. All the doors open nice. All the handles are good. The key is in it, Gabe. Would you start it up? We can show how easy it starts. We're going to start it and shut it off and do it with the hood open too. I want to show them all the gauges. All the gauges work good. The hood's popped. Would you open it up for me? I'm going to walk around the truck a little more. I think it's got a stick. Okay, shut it off and start it up so we can hear it start. Motor runs real good, real quiet, just like a 20,000 mile vehicle should be. It's the tire. This is a little hook on the fender to hook the doors open with if you need to tie them open. Books are in the glove box. Once again, we'll look at the overheads. When you're tying there's these straps. You can shut it off, Gabe. When you're tying these straps down here, they come around and hook on the fenders if it's a windy day or something. All the doors here work nice. A couple little dents in the doors. I think somebody did not have the doors open. They lowered the ramps. The dents are on the insides here. There's a hook back here for the strap from this door if you need to tie it open on a windy day. Yeah, show us how this strap works, Gabe. There we go. This ties them open. Here's your hand controller. It's detachable if you want, or you can just stand back here and work it from this position. The tires are all real nice. They are Firestone Transformer Transforce H2T. HT2. It's a flex fuel vehicle. You know, if you had to, you could use that. These seats fold down. There's seating 3. There's tie downs in here. 1, 2, 3. You could have 3 spots for wheelchairs. If they were kids' wheelchairs, maybe smaller. Maybe you could put 5 or 6 in here. I don't know. I don't know a lot about what the law is and what you can and can't do. Looks like there might be one light bulb up there burned out. Safety rails. It's got dual heat and dual air. It's just a nice outfit. It's just not been used too much. Got power door lock switch there. But we've been here since I started in 1973. I started this business, and I was 18. I just got out of high school. There's your flex fuel tank. Nice fan. I think you'd be happy with it. You get a lot of. It's a lot of van for not a lot of money, you know. Not for a 20,000 mile unit. Hope you can get it bought, Obi. Take care.